Hi everyone. If you've been working on SEO for years and you feel like the rules keep changing every time you finally catch up, you're not alone. I've been there too. And honestly, that's exactly why I want to talk to you about something different today. RankBamboo. This isn't just another SEO tool. It's built for how people actually search and make decisions right now, especially with AI. Think about it. More people are no longer typing keywords into Google and clicking 10 blue links. They're asking ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and Perplexity for recommendations, comparisons, and brand information. And the big question is, when someone asks AI about your brand or your service, does your name come up? If it doesn't, you're invisible in a space that's growing fast. That's where RankBamboo really stands out. Instead of just telling you what's wrong with your site, it actually fixes things for you. You don't need to touch code, you don't need to manually update schema, and you don't need to guess what AI models want. RankBamboo analyzes your site, your brand, your competitors, and then applies optimizations directly with a single click.
What I really like is the AI visibility tracking. You can literally see how your brand performs across ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and Perplexity. Not estimates, real visibility data. You can see whether AI models recognize your brand, what they say about you, and how often you're mentioned compared to competitors. That alone is powerful because it shows you where you stand in the AI decision layer, not just search rankings. The setup is simple. You create a project, enter your brand name, website, industry, and target market, and RankBamboo automatically generates AI prompts that models use to understand and recommend brands. Then you run a scan, and in real time, you see how visible your brand is across different AI platforms. Over time, this builds a full AI visibility profile for your business. One of the most impressive features is the AI audit. RankBamboo checks whether your website is actually ready for large language models. Things like LLMs.txt, robots.txt, schema markup, and metadata are all audited automatically. And when something is missing, RankBamboo doesn't just flag it, it generates the fix for you. You can apply it instantly or push it directly to WordPress. It also goes deep into competitor analysis. You can see which competitors are being mentioned by AI, what keywords they're winning on, and why. RankBamboo then turns that data into actionable insights, showing you exactly what to replicate, improve, or do differently to outperform them. On top of that, you get content generation that's built specifically for answer engines, full articles, FAQs, schemas, and even shopping visibility for e-commerce brands. Whether you're running a service business, an agency, or an online store, everything is designed to help AI understand, trust, and recommend your brand. At the end of the day, RankBamboo isn't about chasing algorithms. It's about positioning your brand where decisions are already being made by AI. And if visibility in AI matters to your business, and it should, this is a platform worth paying attention to. I've left the link below so you can see it for yourself and decide if it fits your goals. All right, that's it for me today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.